Hello there, EPBR members. Recording from SC Studios in Martinsburg, this is Amy Cooper, your 2024 EPBR President with the June's President Circle. The numbers are in for your monthly membership update. We are at 928 total members, 692 primary, 132 secondary, and 101 affiliates. We continue to grow each month. Hopefully you've renewed your license for the 2024-25 year already, but if not, make sure to do so by June 30th. On July 17th, there will be a blood drive at the EPBR board office. Look on our Facebook page for the link to schedule your appointment to donate, or you can go directly to redcrossblood.org to book your appointment. The annual EPBR charity bowling event is in its 10th year. Get your teams together and get registered. The event will be held Thursday, August 1st at Pikeside Bowl. The WVAR State Convention registration is open. You can go to WVRealtors.com and register now. The theme for this year is a fun one that you do not want to miss. The convention will be held at Stonewall Resort from September 15th through the 17th. Lastly, as I'm sure you are aware, there are a lot of changes happening within our industry. Make sure to stay up to date by visiting the NAR website, as well as watching the Bright MLS webinars. These resources will help keep you up to date to make sure you are prepared to best serve your clients throughout these changing times. That is all for this month. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you again in July.